Let's talk about how to log in and log out of visits in the Connected Home Care smartphone app. Before watching this video, be sure you have watched the setup video so that everything will work quickly and easily. You should be able to open the app without entering your password by using Fingerprint ID or Face ID. If you are not using Fingerprint ID or Face ID, you will have to enter your password each time you open the app. Check the setup video again to set up Fingerprint ID or Face ID. It is much easier for you. When you open the app, you go first to your profile page, which shows the next visits on your schedule. You can open the app from anywhere, but the login and logout buttons show only when you're at the client's service address. If you see "not in range," that means you are not close enough to the client's location. If you arrive at the client's home early or on time, a blue login button displays. If you are running late and haven't arrived yet, you will see a purple overdue button. If you press the overdue button, an out-of-range error message will show up to tell you that you need to get to the client's home before you can log in. After you arrive, the overdue button will change to a login button, but note that you may need to click the reload button at the top right to reload the page so the app recognizes that you are on site. The red logout button displays after you log in. You must be at the client's home to log out. If you forget to log out, the system will log you out automatically at the last time it records you on site, but you will probably get a few extra minutes and be paid more if you log out manually just before you leave. Consecutive visits with the same client are automatically logged in. No need to log in again. Log in once when you arrive and log out once when you leave. The system will handle the rest. In some cases, you may arrive on site, but the app continues to say out of range. This might happen, for example, at a large apartment complex, especially if it contains several buildings. The map may expect you to be in the driveway by the street, and you may be standing next to the client's door in building number 3. You are where you are supposed to be, but not where the map expected you. When that happens, click the refresh button at the top right. If this still does not resolve the problem, then you may have to use the remote login feature. Click the 3 dots in the bottom row near the telephone icon. At the bottom of the screen, click the blue remote login button. The system will send your current location, and we can confirm that you are on site as expected. Do the same thing when you log out. Click the 3 dots, then at the bottom of the page, click the remote logout button. That's it. Logging in and out on the Connected Home Care smartphone app is easy, fast, and accurate. It ensures that you are paid for all the time you are working. Now watch the video on entering reports from the app. It's fast and easy.